Hi, this is SY Sublime, and today we're going to install the panel, the Trident Marine Propane Controller. For this project, you're going to need a drill, a flathead or combination screwdriver that I got from Harbor Freight, a 1/8 drill bit, a Forester bit, or you can use any bit, but I like to have nice clean holes, a 1/16 I believe, and a Phillips head driver, which I don't have small bits, so that's the only one I could find. And then we're going to put the unit in around about here. We're going to put it in here. I know that there's nothing behind there, and we can get access from the back where the instrument panel is, but I'm going to double check by getting down in the hold and making sure I'm not going to drill through any wires. This is my new Blue Sea Systems AC DC panel, AC DC panel here. This is a Victron controller, my Blue Sea Systems battery management system, the selector switch that I installed, and another Blue Sea Systems controller for the charger inverter that I bought. As you probably know from my previous videos, I had a fire in my boat and I had to replace all my electrical. This is all bamboo. I actually made this out of bamboo flooring. Pretty much my whole kitchen's made out of bamboo. I made the counter, installed the sink, the stove, and then I made the cabinets for extra space. This wasn't here. I am going to get a gimbaled stove eventually, but this will suffice for now. And the next upgrade, I'm going to be getting a Nova Cool refrigerator to go in there, because this is an AC refrigerator, which it suits the purpose. So, but today that's what we're going to do. So let's get in the back of the hold. It's a nice day here at Long Beach. A bit bright, but it's okay. Ow, 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 ow. So this is the inside of SY Sublime. He's got really long legs. So this is the back side of everything I've put in here so far. This is a Victron inverter charger that I bought, the MMP that I bought, and I'm starting to slowly wire everything up. With work, it's getting pretty busy, so I'm just going to get in here. And last week I installed a smart plug, and this is the outlet for it. It's the thing, but it's not connected to the shore power yet. So we have here the propane